Businesses, especially those in the food industry such as takeaways, sandwich shops, and retailers, are urged to take heed of the impending ban. Starting from the specified date, these businesses are prohibited from supplying, selling, or offering certain single-use plastic items. The ban encompasses a wide range of items, including single-use plastic bowls, plates, trays, cutlery, and even balloon sticks. The environmental impact. The ban on single-use plastic items is not merely a regulatory measure, it is a vital step towards mitigating the environmental crisis. England alone consumes a staggering 2.7 billion pieces of single-use cutlery and 721 million single-use plates annually. Shockingly, a mere 10% of these items are recycled. Plastic pollution is a persistent menace that takes hundreds of years to break down, wreaking havoc on our oceans, rivers, and land. Additionally, it contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, starting from the production and manufacture of the plastic itself to its eventual disposal. Preparing for the ban. Using up existing stock. The transition period leading up to October 1, 2023 provides an opportunity for businesses to deplete their existing stock of banned single-use plastics. Exploring reusable alternatives. Businesses should actively seek out and adopt reusable alternatives to single-use items. This could include using washable, durable utensils and containers. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Considering different materials. Exploring alternative materials that are not detrimental to the environment is a smart strategy. This could involve using items made from sustainable materials like bamboo or paper. It is imperative for businesses to understand that failing to comply with the ban can result in fines. Staying ahead of the curve and embracing environmentally friendly practices is not only responsible but also critical for long-term business sustainability. The ban on single-use plastic in England marks a significant milestone in the global fight against plastic pollution. By eliminating certain items from circulation and promoting sustainable alternatives, England is taking a bold step towards a cleaner and greener future. Businesses must proactively prepare for these changes, not only to avoid fines but also to contribute to a healthier planet for generations to come. Alternatives to single-use plastics. Fortunately, there are a variety of alternatives to single-use plastics that not only reduce environmental impact but also offer practical and cost-effective solutions. Reusable cutlery and straws. Consider carrying your own reusable stainless steel, bamboo, or wooden cutlery and metal straws. These items are not only durable but also easy to clean, making them convenient for on-the-go use. By using them, you can significantly reduce the need for disposable plastic utensils and straws. Cloth shopping bags. Swap out single-use plastic shopping bags for reusable cloth bags. These bags are sturdy, versatile, and can be used for groceries, shopping, and various other purposes. Many stores now offer reusable bags for sale or provide incentives for customers who bring their own. Biodegradable and compostable plastics. Biodegradable and compostable plastics offer a middle ground between traditional plastics and more sustainable options. While they may still require specific conditions for decomposition, they break down more readily than conventional plastics. Paper and cardboard alternatives. Many single-use plastic items, such as food containers, cups, and plates, have environmentally friendly counterparts made from cardboard or paper. These materials are often biodegradable and can be easily recycled. Explore alternatives made from natural materials, such as cornstarch-based products, palm leaves, and coconut shells. These materials can be used for disposable cutlery, food packaging, and even straws. Reusable sanitary product. In addition to reducing plastic waste, individuals can opt for reusable sanitary products like menstrual cups and reusable sanitary pads. Menstrual cups are made from medical-grade silicone and can be used for several years, while reusable sanitary pads are washable and can last for a long time. These options not only reduce the environmental impact of disposable sanitary products but also offer long-term cost savings. By actively choosing these alternatives, individuals and businesses alike can make significant strides in reducing plastic waste and minimizing their environmental footprint. England's ban on certain single-use plastics is a substantial step towards a cleaner and greener future, and embracing these alternatives contributes to the broader effort to protect our planet for generations to come. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.